Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly your contact list, so you can block the number which is currently saved, or let's say using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the first one, with the contact list. Let's go to your contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon, and as you can see we've got block numbers. After tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to do it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so after that just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is notified here that this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way. As you can see, we've got the unblocked numbers, but let's leave it like this, and we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way to block a number is by using the settings. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents, or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in general we've got blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. Those are numbers we just blocked. Probably this one is the contacts we blocked. I've blocked this number before I've started the recording, so everything is fine. And here we've got the second way to block a number, let's say manually. So just tap on add a number, and as you can see right here we can simply enter the number we want to block, so we do not have to have it saved. Let's tap on done if you are ready and tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which simply means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, you can block all unknown numbers just by tapping on the switcher right here, and of course you can turn it off the same way. If you'd like to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.